Hey guys, on this video, I'm going to be explaining about the upcoming news that is going to come out today. We have noticed that there will be USD, this is a USD news, ADP weekly employment change, average hour earning, core retail sales, non-farm employment change, which is your NFP, still coming out today. Retail sales, unemployment change, unemployment rates, flash manufacturing PMI, and flash service PMI. So I'm going to be briefing this news down for you, telling you what their measures and their volatility, the markets are meaning, and why traders like trading them. All right, stay tuned to the video is over, and don't forget to like, share to your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. First of all, we are going to be discussing about ADP weekly employment change. What is this news telling you, and what does it measure? It's actually telling that it measures the private sector job created in the US. This AED you are saying it measures the private sector job created in the US. And why does traders like trading them? Because it's a leading indicator for NFP. It's a leading indicator for NFP. So whenever AUD, the ADP is strong, USD is always bullish. Whenever ADP is weak, USD is always bearish. And the volatility of these markets is medium. Talking about the average hour earning, this average hour earning MM is month over month. There's the meaning of this MM for those of us that are not familiar with MM. It's month over month. If you see some that are Y over Y, that is year over year. So there's the meaning of it. So average hour earning month over month. This is what it measures the wage growth. It measures the wage growth of US. And why? And why do traders like trading them? Why do traders like trading them? Is because if wages are high, inflation becomes high, and it affects Federal Reserve interest rate decisions. If average hour earning is higher than forecast, USD is always bullish. But if it's lower than forecast, USD is bearish. If you're talking about core retail sales, most of us have been hearing about core retail sales MM, which is month over month. What do this actually talking about? What does it measure? It measures the consumer spending excluding autos. It measures the consumer spending excluding autos. Just say it measures the consumer spending. And why does it matter? Consumer spending drives the US economy. So that is why this matters, because consumer spending drives the US economy. Whenever spending is strong, whenever you notice that spending is strong, USD is always bullish. And whenever spending is weak, USD goes down, bearish. Non-farm employment payroll. Most of us have been hearing about non-farm employment payroll, NFP, 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 NFP. But most of us don't know how to trade it and don't know much about it. This is the most important news event that is happening today. It's more important than all this news, the most important that moves the market. It measures the number of new jobs created. It measures the number of new jobs created, excluding farming. This one excluding auto. This one excluding farming. It measures the number of jobs created, NFP, apart from the farming, because farming is normal job. And the market direction. Whenever NFP is strong, oh Bobby, USD always rally sharply strong. But whenever NFP is weak, USD drop immediately, aggressively. It dropped aggressively. The volatility of this market is extremely high. Avoid lower time frame when trading during the news is being released. If not, only the experience will tell you. Then talking about retail sales month over month. What did this actually tell you? What does it measure? The total consumer spending. The total consumer spending. This one measures consumer spending. This one measures the total of the spending. So their two are always working hand in hand. It confirms the economic momentum. It confirms the economic momentum. And it supports NFP reactions. That's why you are seeing all of them coming out at the same time. All of them are supporting NFP reactions. That's why NFP always move massively. It supports NFP reactions. Talking about this unemployment rate, most of us have been hearing unemployment rate, but most of us have known small about it, but we don't know full about it. And most of us don't know much about it. So I'll be explaining briefly indeed. Unemployment rate actually measures the percentage of unemployment workers in the country. Like this now, it's measuring the unemployment people in USA. So whenever the rate is low, USD goes bullish. And whenever the rate is high, rate of people who no get work is high, it's telling you say USD they fall. USD is going bearish instantly. It's going bearish instantly. You can see this now. It's working differently from NFP. This is NFP is happening by 2:30 p.m. today. And this is happening by 3:45 p.m. today, which is what? Flash manufacturing PMI. It's actually talking about the US manufacturing activities. It confirms economic directions after the NFP. That's why it's coming after the NFP. So it's the one that confirms the full directions. That's why it's coming with this flash service PMI. Flash services PMI. And this measures the US service sector performance. Services drive the US economic more than manufacturing. It drives the US economic more than manufacturing. That's why you see them coming after NFP. So today news, today market, you will notice that market will rally until this time when the volatility will be very high, 2:30. You will expect massive spike in the market. After 2:30, on 2:45, you expect another massive spike in the market. All the markets will collect, especially those ones that have USD in them. Gold, GBP-USD, Euro-USD, USD-JPY, USD CAD. All those ones that have USD in them, they go move massively. They go move massively. So if you don't know how to trade them, don't go and enter markets when these news times are coming. If you are new, unless you are experienced, you sabi trading news. If you go inside, but if you not sabi trading news, just come off a market during this time until news is over. Then you can look for a nice opportunity because news actually gives you the directions of market. So this is it, guys. I believe you have understand more about news. So if you still have questions you want to ask concerning this news, you can drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share to your friends, and subscribe to the channel to join the family. Okay? Take care and Bye for now.